So today we are finally making our bone broth. Yay. So stuff is delicious. All you need is extra bits from past meals, pretty much. We have vegetable like cores or like the ends of them. We have like the bones and fat from meat or chicken. Mostly chicken. Do not use turkey. Trust me, it was weird. Ugh. Okay, so to begin, you're just gonna throw the stuff into your pressure cooker. You can use any type of pressure cooker. You need about a gallon size thing of chicken bones. Okay. This is from my last video, our casserole. We are just, whoops. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw that in there. And then you're going to stuff from the freezer. We've been saving up this stuff for quite a while. This bag broke. Okay. Now, I'm not going to use this entire bag because there's a lot of veggies in here. Okay. Just the ins and odds of, wow, that's like whole zucchini. No, don't use the whole zucchini. I won't fit. Not use the whole zucchini. These are like onion skin, an end piece to an onion, the core and the end piece of some bell peppers. Okay, so I put a couple of carrots in there since I didn't have any. Now you're going to need about 2 spoonfuls of garlic. There we go. And, now you're going to fill it up with water until you hit the line that should be in your pressure cooker. I don't see. This is going to taste delicious with a lot of stuff, like soups or, yeah, soups. Gives it a lot of extra flavor. Look at that. I think I need a little more, but it's good. Okay, so after that, you're going to turn it on for about 120 minutes, which is 2 hours, and stir it, and then it's all. You're done.
I'm gonna strain that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you gotta strain all the vegetables and the bones out of it, and then you'll just have the broth. And then you're done, and it's all good. Okay? Let's see how it ends. Okay, so I've strained everything out of it, and one thing of bone broth makes 4 containers for me. So now that everything's strained, all I have to do is let them cool off and freeze them. So they can be used in other meals and videos. So that's it. Make sure you like this video, please, and subscribe to my channel. If you hit that notification bell, you will know when more videos are out, and you'll be able to be the first ones to see them. Okay, bye.